Before installing this magnetic car phone mount, I took a moment to look at how the base, arm, and different joints worked. I removed the protective cover from the nanogel base and chose a spot on the dashboard where I could see the screen without blocking my view while driving. Then I pressed the suction cup onto the surface and turned the locking mechanism to secure it. When I gently moved it with my hand, the base felt firmly attached. I also liked that I didn't have to clip it onto an air vent, so the airflow could continue normally. The long arm has two joints that I could move to bring the mount closer or farther away and find a comfortable height. I also adjusted the magnetic head, changed the angle, and checked that I could position my phone horizontally, depending on what I needed at the time. According to the product information, it uses an N55 neodymium magnet. In my experience, as soon as I brought my phone close to it, it connected right away and felt securely held. I could remove it and put it back with one simple motion, without opening clamps or adjusting any buttons. Finally, I tested it during a drive. My phone stayed in the position I had selected, and the screen remained visible without covering the air vents. For everyday use, I found it convenient to adjust the distance and angle before I started driving, then leave my phone in place while I continued on my way.